హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో, we have to learn digraphs or sound blends or CVC words. Digraphs or blends. What is digraph? If we combine two letters, then make a single sound. C, P, S, H, T. If we combine two letters, here I combined C and H, then form ch, PH p, SH sh, WH w, TH t, t. In this video, first we have to learn CH and PH words. CH words and PH words. What are CH words? Chair, CHAIR, chair. Here CH is there. Chick, CHICK, chick. Cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Church, CHURCH, church. Chess, CHESS, chess. Chart, CHAT, chart. Chain, CHAIN, chain. Chase, CHASE, chase. Cheese, CHEESE, cheese. Charm, CHARM, charm. Chop, CHOP, chop. These are the CH words. Once again I repeat. First one is chair, second one is chick, third one is cherry, fourth one is church, fifth one is chess, sixth one is chart, seventh one is charm, eighth one is chain, ninth one is chop, 10th one is chase, and 11th one is cheese. These are the CH words. What is digraph? Once again I repeat. If we combine two letters, then form a single sound, then make a single sound. It's called digraph. Now we will see PH words. PHONE, phone. PHOTO, photo. PHARMACY, pharmacy. Next one is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. synthesis. Next one is phase. Next one is phrase. Phenomenon. Phenomenon. Philosophy. Phobia. Photon. Phrase. Physical. These are the PH words. Once again I repeat. First one is phone, photo, pharmacy, photosynthesis, phase, phrase, phenomenon, philosophy, phobia, photon, phrase and physical. These are the CH words and PH words. Now we have to learn SH words, WH words and TH words. SH words. Ship, SHIP, ship. Shop, SHOP, shop. Shark, SHARK, shark. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Shake, SHAKE, shake. Shirt, SHIRT, shirt. Shoes, SHOES, shoes. Short, SHORT, short. She, SHE, she. These are the SH words. Now WH words. First one is wheel, WHEEL, wheel. Whale, WHALE, whale. Whip, WHIP, whip. Wheat, WHEET, wheat. While, WHILE, while. With, WITH, with. When, WHEN, when. Who, WHO, who. What, WHAT, what. Whistle, WHISTLE, whistle. White, WHITE, white. Whisper, WHISPER, whisper. Here, shape, SHAPE, shape. Sharp, SHARP, sharp. Share, SHARE, share. Shed, SHED, shed. Shelf, SHELF, shelf. Now WH words. First one is thin, THIN, thin. Thick, THICK, thick. Thumb, THUMB, thumb. 3, THRE, 3, THREE, 3. Throw, THROW, throw. Thread, THREAD, thread. Third, THIRD, third. Thigh, THIGH, thigh. Think, THINK, think. Thirsty, THIRSTY, thirsty. Throat, THROAT, throat. Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Thirty, THIRTY, 30. These are the TH words. Once again I repeat SH words, WH words and TH words. First SH words. Ship, shop, shark, sheep, shake, shirt, shoes, short, she, shape, sharp, share, shed, shelf. WH words. Wheel, whale, whip, wheat, while, when, who, what, whistle, white, whisper. These are the WH words. Now TH words. Thin, thick, thumb, 3, throw, thread, third, thigh, think, thirsty, throat, Thursday and 30. These are the TH words. These are the digraphs. What is the digraph? If we combine two letters, then make a single sound, that is ch, p, sh, v, t. These are the CH words. These are the PH words. These are the SH words. These are the WH words. These are the TH words. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.